F-47 official power revealed, and it's crazier than we thought. The aviation world just got flipped upside down. The F-47, once shrouded in secrecy, has finally stepped into the spotlight, and its true capabilities are even more insane than the rumors. With technologies that defy logic and a combat profile built for future warfare, the F-47 isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new league. This is not your typical stealth jet. This is a 6th-generation beast with power levels so advanced, even seasoned pilots are calling it a game changer. What's inside the F-47 is rewriting the rules of aerial combat. Let's dive in. Design philosophy born for dominance. The F-47 wasn't built as a replacement. It was designed to be the next apex predator in the sky. Unlike its predecessors, it's a perfect fusion of extreme stealth, super maneuverability, and smart systems. Engineers approached the F-47 with a modular mindset. That means the jet can be adapted and upgraded rapidly with new sensors, weapons, or mission capabilities. Its frame incorporates shape-shifting airfoils and plasma-based stealth technologies, making it nearly impossible to track even by advanced radar systems. Everything about this aircraft screams future warfare. Even its airframe materials are built from adaptive composites that reduce heat signature, radar return, and increase overall survivability. The F-47 isn't just built to survive, it's built to control the skies. Power plant and speed. The F-47's propulsion system is where things start getting truly wild. It reportedly uses a new class of adaptive cycle engine, developed in secrecy over the past decade. This engine allows the F-47 to switch between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes automatically, depending on mission requirements. In raw numbers, the F-47 can hit speeds well over Mach 2.5 while maintaining lower thermal visibility than the F-22 or F-35. That's because its engine uses variable bypass technology and incorporates ceramic matrix composites that allow for higher operating temperatures. More importantly, the engine's design allows for what experts call supercruise on steroids. The F-47 can fly supersonic without afterburners for extended periods, something that drastically reduces its infrared signature while preserving fuel for longer missions. Stealth and signature control. The F-47 doesn't just hide from radar, it disappears from the battlefield. It uses full-spectrum stealth, which means it's built to vanish not only from radar detection, but also from infrared sensors. This next-gen approach includes rumored plasma cloaking, a tech so advanced it manipulates the air around the jet, scattering radar waves and making the aircraft nearly impossible to lock onto. Forget about just flying under the radar. This thing redefines what invisible means in air combat. What's on the outside matters too. Every weapon is stored internally, tucked inside smart bays that close perfectly flush with the aircraft's body. There are no exposed missiles or hanging fuel tanks that can give away its position. Its antennas, sensors, and radar panels are embedded within the body. Nothing sticks out. The entire jet looks like a smooth shadow in the sky, designed from tip to tail for ultra-low observability. The shape, the coating, and the materials all scream stealth. But the real magic? The FF-47 isn't stuck in one stealth mode. Thanks to cutting-edge onboard AI, it can adapt its stealth profile in real time. If it needs to sneak into a high-threat zone, it dials up full stealth. If it's time to chase down a target or escape, it reconfigures for speed without blowing its cover. That level of dynamic stealth control, it's unheard of. It's not just a stealth jet, it's a shape-shifting ghost in the sky. Weapon systems. The F-47 doesn't just carry weapons. It carries a new breed of smart hypersonic and AI-assisted munitions. It can launch air-to-air missiles at beyond visual range, BVR, and even beyond radar range, BVR, giving it the power to destroy threats long before being seen. Among its arsenal are directed energy weapons, including a compact onboard laser that can disable or destroy incoming missiles. It also reportedly supports swarming micro-drones deployed mid-air for recon, jamming, or even kamikaze missions. Perhaps most dangerously, the F-47 is fully nuclear capable and able to carry high-speed glide bombs that are virtually impossible to intercept. In a single pass, it can take out heavily defended targets without breaking a sweat. Artificial intelligence integration. This is where the F-47 breaks away from every fighter before it and steps straight into the future. At the heart of this beast is a next-gen AI core that doesn't just help the pilot, it thinks, reacts, and fights. It scans threats, selects weapons, and launches countermeasures in milliseconds. We're not talking about autopilot here. This is real-time combat intelligence that can outthink enemy aircraft before the pilot even blinks. The AI operates like a digital co-pilot, processing live data from radar, infrared, satellites, and more. While the pilot focuses on the big picture, the AI is already calculating the best flight path, choosing targets, or dodging missiles. In a chaotic dogfight or a multi-threat environment, the F-47 fights like it has two brains, one human, one machine, and both are working at full capacity. But the true game changer? In swarm mode, the F-47 becomes a command hub, directing other aircraft and unmanned drones like a general in the sky. Through its AI-powered battle network, it can orchestrate coordinated strikes, recon, or defense without waiting for ground commands. It's not just a fighter, it's a leader, transforming the battlefield by turning information into action in real time. Survivability and maintenance. While high-tech usually means fragile, the F-47 breaks that mold. Its onboard diagnostics can predict part failures and suggest preventive maintenance even before issues arise, reducing downtime to a fraction of what older jets require. It's armored in the right places and designed to fly even with limited systems. In combat scenarios, it can reroute energy and control surfaces automatically to maintain flight integrity after damage. With hardened circuits and redundant backups, it's as tough electronically as it is physically. Strategic impact. The F-47 doesn't just enter the battlefield, it reshapes it. This isn't a fighter designed to play by today's rules, it's built to rewrite them. With the ability to penetrate deep into enemy territory without backup, the F-47 can take out high-value targets, disable defenses, and return before anyone knows it was there. Whether it's a first strike mission or dominating a no-fly zone, this jet gives commanders new options they've never had before. It's not just about hardware, it's about systems warfare. The F-47 is seamlessly connected to US space, cyber, and ground operations, forming a warfighting web that no enemy aircraft can match. It sees more, knows more, and acts faster than anything else flying. This is why the F-47 isn't just a jet. It's the centerpiece of America's future doctrine. It's a stealth striker, a drone commander, a data hub, and an electronic warfare beast all rolled into one. In tomorrow's wars, it won't just participate. The F-47 defines the battlefield, and any force facing it will be reacting, not leading. So now you know, the F-47 isn't just another jet with a flashy name, it's the ultimate evolution of aerial combat. Built from the ground up to dominate in every dimension, it's the fighter that makes even stealth jets nervous. With tech pulled straight out of tomorrow and performance that defies expectations, the F-47 is the power move America's enemies feared, and now it's here. What part of the F-47 blew your mind the most? Its stealth, its AI, or its weapons loadout? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this breakdown, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more epic military aviation content every week.